Hi everybody! If you haven't heard about a corner before, it is basically a croissant and a donut mashed together. Today I'll show you the easy way to make them. They're so delicious and tasty. I have made some mistakes along the way, so keep watching my video to find out what not to do while making these donuts. Now let's get started. Okay, so what you will need is puff pastry sheets. Fold one sheet in half to add some height to your donuts. I used a 3.5-inch cookie cutter and was able to fit 3 donuts. I used a 1-inch cutter for the center of the donuts. Move them to a clean plate. And cut more donut holes with the remaining dough. The sheets fell apart, so I brushed melted butter to help them stick together. This reminds me when I paint. Then I put them in the fridge to keep them cold. I brushed butter on the second sheet before folding it. Same as before, cut out donuts and donut holes. Don't let any dough go to waste. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees and start frying the donuts. Ask my dad for help because I can't use the gas stove yet. Cook them for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Oopsie, this one separated. Double donuts. When you see them puff out and golden brown, you can take them out. Ooh, looks cool. My daddy pushed egg white between both sheets. That helped them stick together better. Fry the second batch of donuts. Looking good, Daddy. Look at that one. And of course, don't forget about the little donut holes. Time to put the little babies. There's a lot of them. Now time to make the glaze. Add 1 tablespoon of milk at a time to powdered sugar. Mix them between until you're happy with the consistency. Time to decorate. I use glaze and hard sprinkles for this one. Time to drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle. Now we can put the sprinkles. So pretty. I make sprinkles for this one. Fun! I spread Nutella and added rainbow sprinkles. I got it all over my face. I dusted this one with powdered sugar. Peanut butter for this one. And rainbow sprinkles. This one looks pretty. And for the last one, Nutella and coconut flakes. Yummy! Let's not forget about these little cuties. There's a lot of them. Ta-da! This is the final result. They look so pretty together and yummy. Volume up to listen to the crunch, guys.
It's good?
No. Do you want to try one, Daddy?
Mmm. Mmm. Double.
Uh-oh. Okay. I didn't get to try any of the donut holes because I turned around and Ellie already ate them all. They were so yummy and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.